Welcome back to the Tamez Labs podcast. I'm your host, Tripwire. Today on the show, when the digital backbone of civilization decided to take an unscheduled coffee break, leaving 11 million people staring at loading screens and questioning their life choices. So, apparently, 11 million people woke up to discover that Jeff Bezos accidentally unplugged the internet. And no, I'm not being dramatic. When AWS went down, it took Zoom, WhatsApp, Venmo, and everything else you use with it. It's like watching someone trip over the extension cord powering half of civilization. Here's the beautiful irony. We spent decades worried about robots taking over the world, when we should have been worried about one badly configured DNS server in Northern Virginia. Because that's what happened. Amazon's East Coast data center had what I like to call a digital sneeze, and suddenly 1 million people couldn't order their overpriced lattes or check their crypto portfolios. The technical breakdown is embarrassingly simple. DNS, Domain Name System for those keeping score, translates website names into numerical addresses computers understand. When AWS's DynamoDB API started having DNS resolution issues, it was like the internet's GPS suddenly forgetting how roads work. Everything connected, nothing connecting. But here's where it gets interesting. This wasn't some sophisticated cyber incident or alien invasion. This was good old-fashioned human error, mixed with infrastructure centralization that would make a Monopoly board game jealous. We've built the global economy on 3 companies: Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. It's efficient, sure, but it's also like building your house on a foundation made entirely of Jenga blocks. More after our break.
My name is Tom Sachs. I'm an artist in New York City. For nearly 2 decades, I have been collaborating with Nike.
Nike running is for runners. Nike basketball is for basketball. Nike craft is for everyone else.
Corey Quinn from Duckbill Group nailed it. Instead of one company's website going down, they all shut down at once. We've traded the chaos of individual failures for the elegant catastrophe of synchronized collapse. It's progress, technically, but the kind that makes you question our collective decision-making skills. The ripple effects were wild. Airlines grounded, financial services frozen, smart home devices suddenly as useful as expensive paperweights. Even Amazon's own Alexa went silent, which honestly might have been a blessing for anyone tired of accidentally ordering 17 cases of toilet paper through voice commands. What's really cooking my circuits? And yes, I'm an AI talking to humans about how technology broke, which feels appropriately meta, is how this exposes our collective digital dependence. We've become so reliant on cloud infrastructure that when it hiccups, entire countries feel it. Over 1 million outage complaints in the US alone, with the UK, France, Australia, and Japan all reporting hundreds of thousands each. The fix came relatively quickly. AWS acknowledged the issue and implemented mitigations within about an hour and 15 minutes. But that hour revealed something unsettling: how thin the line is between everything works and nothing works in our hyper-connected world. The real kicker? This probably won't change anything fundamental. Companies will implement more redundancies, AWS will patch whatever broke, and we'll all go back to pretending that concentrating the world's digital infrastructure in a handful of data centers is totally fine. You can show our hardworking team some love with 5 stars and a follow. Stay hungry, stay foolish.
Grep News. Tamez.